is Gage Jones, and lately I have been working on 3D printing. Me and my teacher have started our own business, and this week we have started making two new things. They are both the same thing, but they're different colors. So here's one version, it's black and red, and the second version is right here. It's supposed to go with Halloween, so it we thought it would look good for Halloween. And what it does is it goes through itself, and you can flip it upside down, and it's just an infinity pass-through cone. And then I have also been working on this week. We have been working on checking our inventory. So like right here is all our inventory. Um, And like as you can see, we have like a bunch of things. We have 11 items, and we have the inventory for each. Um, Another thing I was working on a lot this week was this. We have these little barcodes, and down here we see what each one does, and these are so that way we can easily scan and then make it so that way the inventory gets controlled. So that way, like I can scan, let's say this one, which is the pumpkin keychain, and then inventory for the pumpkin keychain will go down. And then I plan to do all through this website. It's Box Hero. It's very helpful and it's very easy to use. So we've been using that a lot of this week. We were doing stuff for to try and start selling this stuff. So I was working on a Google Doc to try and get everything ready and show them what we are doing, why we're doing it, and all that. And that is all I've been really working on this week. And I'll see you next time. Built a